Hi, what's up? It's me again. We're back for another tutorial. This time it's gonna be with Tails and everythings that look extremely weird when you don't reassign them. And I'm gonna be showing you how to reassign them today, so that's great. And let's get on with it. So let's say that you have your model and you want to add a tail, right? Okay. So what you want to do is create a new freehand group, and then you want to drag it down to shape it like you want your tail to look, or any other accessories. It's gonna look hella weird at first, and you want to try and not touch your hair like I just did. But you just want to drag it all the way down. And I'm gonna pull this in. And just model a tail. Not the best tail. It works. There we go. And you just wanna make a new bone group on the tail. And you gotta make sure that the bone group goes right in the butt. It needs to be in the butt specifically, so that when you switch it, it doesn't, fly away. So you can just edit this to have whatever properties you want, and then you can go to your camera / exporter. And obviously, if you look at it like this, it looks fine. But then if you have the hair turn, it kind of messes up. So obviously that is not what we want. So you just want to export your model. And then you want to open Unity. Now for Unity, you're going to want two plugins called UniVRM and Bone Weight Transfer. I will link both of these in the description. And when you get to this point and you've downloaded them, you can literally just open your Unity project and then press these packages and it will automatically install. I use the same Unity project for all of my models, so I don't have to reinstall them every single time. So then on UniVRM, you can't see it on mine, but at the top it was on next to window, it will say VRM, and you want to click on that and then go to UniVRM and then import. So then you will find your model in your files. I called mine test. And I recommend making a new folder called imports for this. And then you save it. And it will import your VRM into the scene. It'll take a little while, so just be a little bit patient. As you can see, obviously got a loading sign. And just give it a little bit. Alright, there we go. I should have made its own folder, but we're just gonna carry on. So yeah, I recommend making a folder called imports, and then within that folder, making a folder for your specific model if you're gonna have several, because it kind of takes up a lot of space. So you're just gonna want to go to Open Prefab. When you click on it, Open Prefab, and then you wanna try and find the hair joint, the hair bones for the tail. So you need to open hips, and it goes through spine, neck, head, all of that good stuff. And you'll know it's that one when it has a box over it. So you just want to go for all your hair joints. It's probably going to be at the bottom actually. It's the most recent one. Yep, okay, that's it. So what I do is I just move the hair joint into the hips folder. And then find the hair. If you want to do that, it's not separate here though, so just leave it. And I'm just going to close all of these folders. And then you want to go to Tools and Bone Weight Transfer at the top. You can see it on my end, so let me just change that. Right, okay, now you want to go to Tools, Bone Weight Transfer, and then you need your hair joint in this box. The one you want to transfer to here. And I'm going to find the head joint again and click that. And then I just want to go to the top of your thing and press the name, export. Just export it wherever. And once it's done that, you can go into VC Face. And I'm going to open this and add a new avatar. Like so. And then if I move my head, it should move with my head. And now your tail or whatever you want to add should be reassigned. So it is not moving with your head. That's all for today. And if you have anything you want to see, don't forget to leave a comment. Maybe like if you want to, or subscribe, because I post these sometimes when I have the time and know what to post. And again, thank you all. I'll see you all next time. Bye bye.